Our chapter is motion and time. Graphical representation of data. See, we can represent data in pictorial form by three different ways. One is bar graph, next is pie chart, next one is line graph. See, in bar graph, what we will do? For example, if we have time and reading. So, time in the x-axis and then the reading in the y-axis. And then in the bar shaped, we will make the graph. Pie chart. For example, the composition of air. Okay. For example, the nitrogen is 78%, oxygen 21%, and the other gas is 1%. This one will show this in a pie chart. And then line graph. See, line graph we can use it to show change in weight of a man with age. Distance time graph. A graph which represents the distance travelled by an object with respect to time is referred to as distance time graph. See, the distance time graph is a line graph. Making a distance time graph. First, we have to mark the x-axis and y-axis. Divide them in equal quantities. Now, we are going to take the first quadrant alone. Choose one scale to represent distance. For example, x-axis to represent distance, where 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter, and the other to represent time. For example, y-axis to represent the time, where 1 minute equal to 1 centimeter. Mark the values of time and distance in the graph. So now what we are going to do is marking the values for time and distance. Now draw lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis at the points that we have marked. Mark the points where these lines intersect on the graph. So these points show the position of the moving object. Now join all the points of intersection and obtain a straight line graph. So this is the distance time graph of a moving object. Shape of the distance time graph. So based upon the shape of the graph, we can tell the interpretation of the object. So if the graph is straight line, we can conclude that the object has a uniform speed. Parallel to time axis, it is a stationary object. Curve shaped. So the object is moving in a non-uniform speed. To find the speed of distance time graph. So what is the formula to find speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So here the distance will be final position of the object minus initial position of the object divided by time taken by the object. Also, the speed of the distance time graph can be calculated by the slope of a graph. So, the steeper the slope of the graph, the more is the speed of the object. For example, in the graph given below, A has steeper slope. This means that A is moving at a higher speed than object B. Answer the following questions. What is a distance time graph? What are the different types of graphical representation? Write the formula to find the speed of distance time graph. What does a straight line on a distance time graph represent?